Because and because of. Let's take a quick look.
Because is a conjunction. It's followed by clauses. Because of is a preposition. It's followed by nouns or noun phrases. Let's practice with 20 sentences. You will have 10 seconds for each. How many scores can you get? She was late because of the traffic jam. He didn't go to work because he was sick. The match was cancelled because of the heavy rain. I stayed home because I wasn't feeling well.
They are happy because of their good results.
We missed the train because we got up late.
The flight was delayed because of bad weather.
Because of the snowstorm, all schools were closed. He passed the exam because he studied hard. She cried because her dog died. I couldn't sleep last night because of the noise. Because his laziness, he failed the test. They were tired because they had walked for hours. He got a promotion because of his great performance. Because of the rain, we had to stay indoors. I bought it because it was cheap. The picnic was disaster because of the wind. She didn't join us because she had a headache. He lost his job because the company went bankrupt. Because of his carelessness, the vase was broken.